Hi guys! Last time when we see this project it was in the disassembly phase. But now it's time to do something with this frame. If you not saw the previous part, please click here. So let's begin the story. This steel frame is a copy of a late 80s mountain bike frame, which type I not recognize, but I do know that it has old standards, such as the 1-inch head pipe and an old style derailleur mount. Luckily, I am not found much rust on the frame. So first I changed the bottom bracket bearings. I also changed the crank. Probably this was the only case when I paid the full price. I tried to keep the costs low, so I had a plan. I ordered the missing parts from the local bike shops via internet, and I paid personally in the shop. That means no shipping cost. I concentrated mostly in stock items, the same items which the bike shops couldn't sell in the summer. So I found reliable parts in low price. Because this will be a commuter bike, it doesn't need to be sporty. It must be comfortable. These are the biggest pedals what I found. This rear wheel is from another project, so it cost me nothing. But these both city tires are new. What is in the big box? A Christmas present? Well, sort of. I am cheating a bit because this isn't a normally wheel hub. This is an electric one. If you're commuting with bicycle, you know that arriving sweaty is bad. There is not much option on the market if you have a bike frame with 1-inch head pipe, but the Suntour XCT basic forks are quite good. So let's roll the last time lapse of this part. I hope you remember what I said from the bike comfort. Well, this isn't only a seat. This will be a real throne, a rolling throne, a rock and rolling throne. The first video from this project was published a few days ago, but the build lasted me about a month so far. Finding the parts, searching better price and checking the compatibility takes me more time than the build does. In the next episode I will finish the build and I go for a test ride with this beast from the east. Please follow me in this journey. And thank you for watching.